Hello again, nearly at the end of this haul. So we have another 5, and then I think we've got one more set of 5 to go, and I haven't had my freebie in this, which I was supposed to have got, so I shall be checking that out. And there's that other painting that I got which didn't have any stick on. So right, let's see where are we up to now. This one, oh look at that, snow leopard, and it's square drills. Yee! Some nice colours. Right, yeah. 30 by 40, or 40 by 30 even. All letters. Check the I and the J. Yeah, the J's got the loop. You just got to be careful with that one. Yep, I and the L. L has a visible loop. Yeah, at the bottom. Oh yeah, drill's pretty clean. It's a little bit dirty, but I can't see anything on the drill area itself. So I mean, this will, you know, either be hidden in a frame or you can cut it off, can't you? Yeah, that's not too bad, is it? Snow leopard, 30 by 40, 17 colours, and it's a square. Dark colours, mine. Darkish. In the baggies, so watch out for a little bit of Ujima flip, static, obligatory boat. I do like these boats. I'll say I've got lots of them. Right, so it does come off. I mean, some bits you can't help. It's in a factory. As long as it doesn't impede the, you know, the drill area. You know, things can wipe off. Damp cloth on the back. Yeah. Right, what's this one? We've got DMCs. Oh, this one I thought was quite sweet. Oh, tightly in. There you go. Quite stiff canvas, but look at this. Isn't that adorable? A doggy with the butterflies. Drill filled is very good. It's missing, sort of in places it's not too good, but you can still see the oh yeah, it's well sticky. And there are 21 colours. Yep, you can see the colours. It's rounds. There are the colours there. Yeah, that one is really nice. I can see that one going quite well. Might fancy these up a bit. Okay. Loads of ribbon and stuff. Right, let's do this one. This one is another princess. There she goes. Okay. Drill field is okay-ish. Yep. Right. Yeah, that's sticky. There are 23 colours and they have got DMCs on there, and they're in baggies, so watch out for the static. But yeah, that's that one. Right. Right, let's go. Right, 2 more. Right, by the looks of it, this one looks like it's a partial. And it is 30 by 50. Ah, and it is a partial, and it is the peacock. I didn't realise this peacock was a partial, but there we go. It's only 10 colours, and they are these sort of colours, the Diamante type colours. And they look nice, those ones. Wow. Gosh, they do look nice. Purple, but with a, I don't know if you can see. Oh dear, what's going on here? It's filming still. I don't know if that's going to come up. Low power. I should have had my, there we go. Hopefully it's charging still. But yes, so there's that one. It's partial. I better quickly get on before, just in case it decides to cut out on me. As it is, there's going to be a slight interruption to this one, isn't there? But yeah. Oops, what's that? Email coming in. Right, and then the last one of this batch. Oh dear. This one's good for like a November if you're doing an event. Oh dear. Of it's rounds. It's got DMC codes. And it is, oh no, this isn't an event in November. This is Spidey. 27 colours, my word. Quite a few different shades of red and white. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's sticky all right. Yep. And it is numbers and letters. And there we go, that's one to end on. So that is that. And I've just got one more batch of 5. And we will see. I'm waiting for my Temu order, which has got lots of like trays and storage type things like that. Not actually, oh look at that, I'm pushing it through the hole. Not actually storage cases or anything like that, but the you know, tray sets and the different trays that there are. That was another late night one. Never look on Temu. I'm usually an AliExpress girl myself, but I looked on Temu just to see what it was all about. Yeah. Just looked, I said. Bad news was they accepted clear play and Kana, so yeah, that didn't help. Oh dear. Yeah, there we go. It's on sort of. Right, so there's that one. 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I will see you in the next one. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.